टीचर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। पहले तो मैं आप लोगों का वेलकम करता हूं अपनी इस छोटी सी क्लास में। आज हमने यहाँ पे एक जॉइंट सेशन के लिए आपको बुलाया है, क्योंकि हमें अपने कॉलेज में 4C लेसन प्लान सिखाया जाता है। हमें सिखाया गया है वहाँ पे 4C लेसन प्लान के बारे में। हम कोशिश करते हैं कि आप हमारे यहाँ पे कलीग्स हो, हम आपको उसके बारे में थोड़ी सी जानकारी दे दें। हो सकता है कि आप भी अपनी क्लासेस, आपको भी लगेगा अच्छा है तो आप अपनी क्लास को इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो। 4C लेसन प्लान बेसिकली कंस्ट्रक्टिव टाइप ऑफ प्लान है, जो हमारे कॉलेज की जो इंटर्नशिप कमेटी है, वहाँ की जो इनोवेशन सेल है, वहाँ की जो हेड है डॉक्टर फजल सर, तो उन्होंने इसको वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट किया है, उन्होंने उसको बनाया है। सो आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल डॉक्टर हिमायुन सर। इन्हें अच्छी खासी इस बारे में जानकारी है, वो इस पे रोशनी डालेंगे। सो वेलकम हिमायुन सर।
थैंक यू सर। All of you are well aware that we have been deployed here by the College of Education for the practice of teaching. And for the same, we have been given the 4C format to make our lesson plans. So what is this 4C? As Reyaz Ahmad has said, that 4C is a constructivist lesson plan. So constructivist approach is actually a view of learning where we are having the idea that students learn best when we involve them in activities, when they are engaged in the process of learning. When they are engaged in the process of learning, they learn best at that time, rather than if they are just the passive listeners. Because even if they are listening, they are retaining it, it will be for some time only, for few days, for few hours. First principle is that knowledge is constructed. Knowledge is constructed. By the knowledge is constructed, what we mean is that to them, based on what they already know. We are constructing the knowledge based on their previous knowledge. For example, if someone of us is going to get in a class with the topic area of triangles, so for him or for her, it's supposed that students will be well aware of the term what are triangles. What do we mean by the area? More knowledge and be able to guide them how to determine the area of a triangle. So this is the first principle of this constructivism. What we call as knowledge is constructive. Second thing is learning is an active process. We can't be the mere spectators in process of learning. We have to be active in learning process. If we are going to tell them to relate the real world, for example, you will need it tomorrow while determining the area of a plot or of your field or your house. So we are actually relating it to the real world. But not least is the motivation. So motivation is key to learning. Unless and until a student is not motivated towards learning, no matter what methodology you adopt, no matter how good a teacher are, but students won't be able to get anything out of that. Actually, this lesson plan consists of 4 steps. And every step, the first alphabet of every step, it starts with the alphabet C. It starts with the alphabet C. So we term it as a 4C lesson. Consider, co-construct, consolidate and clarify. There are 4 steps in this lesson plan. Now taking first step, that's a consider. It's the first step in the lesson plan. As the term consider means we are considering the previous knowledge. Now first is the consider. Consider means we are considering the previous knowledge of the student. Because when we are considering the previous knowledge of the student, we are able to motivate the student to increase his curiosity, to learn further. Are you getting me?
Yes.
So only then when we are considering previous knowledge, say for example I was just telling you about the area of triangle. So when a student feels that yes I know, that's co-construct. Co-construct means constructing in collaboration. Constructing in collaboration. Now who is constructing in whose collaboration? The collaboration is between the students, the collaboration is between the teacher and the students. In every step, teacher gives a bit of scaffolding. So in the co-construct step, the students learn better if we are able to learn in collaboration with one another. We may form different groups in our class. Each group will be given some problem. a very problem. And when 3 or 4 minds work together, they are able to understand the deeper concept, okay, and they are able to retain it for a long period of time. We're actually consolidating the learning outcomes. What are our learning outcomes for the day? That we are consolidating here, where we ask some students few questions regarding the topic that we have learned today. Few questions, or we may give them some activity or some worksheet to fill. So we are actually consolidating what they have learned today. So that's clarified. It means I am here in this step, I am providing the maximum scaffolding to the student, maximum help. I am helping the student in every step, but here I am providing the maximum scaffolding, the maximum help to the student. It is need-based. Clarify is need-based. Clarify step is flexible. It can go up and down. It can go up and down depending on my need, depending on the topic which I am supposed to teach, which the student is supposed to learn. If anyone has any questions, please.
ये क्लेरिफाई हमें फिर से समझाइए.
क्लेरिफाई मीन्स कि हम बच्चे के कंसेप्ट को क्लियर कर रहे हैं, हम मैक्सिमम हेल्प बच्चे, हम मैक्सिमम स्कैफोल्डिंग बच्चे को दे रहे हैं.